So I could have sworn I had filmed an intro for this, but I guess not. So this is just a full face of new products, basically, that I bought. So let's get on with it then. I really hope you guys like this. If you want to see what I create, please keep watching. Thanks. So my eyes are already primed. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe, all in my face, the Morphe 35O2 palette. It comes with the names. Did not know that. Because yes, I'm late to the game here, but I have it. So this is a new product for me that I'm very excited to be trying and creating a look with. So where to start is the question. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with Universal and Orb, these two right here. So I'm putting Universal down first. You know, a good Universal transition shade. And I'm using my Morphe B38 brush, as usual. I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one. I'm not sure if I've said that already on camera, but I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one. And now I'm gonna take Orb, just, you know, hitting us with the warm browns here. I also have to kind of get ready quickly, so I'm not gonna be talking too much through this because Hannah and I are going to Mellow Mushroom Happy Hour at 3:30. So with those colors laid down, now I'm trying to figure out what direction I want to go in. These purpley browns are kind of calling to me. I think I'm just gonna go over it with one more color, and I think that's going to be Spice, this darker brown right here. I'm going to keep this a little bit lower on my crease area. I'm not gonna bring it up as high as those other colors. And I'm just taking this Morphe, oh, I can't see this, R34. This is an R34 brush, and I'm just going back in and blending everything out before I go in with any more colors. So, I'm gonna take Risky and Chestnut next. These two colors right here. Just winging it again, guys. This is what I do. I'm gonna take the deeper color first on my R39 brush, Chestnut. Just the darker of the two. I'm gonna pack this over here. Probably gonna have to cut my crease, actually, now that I think about it. I really like this color. So I am actually going to take my Shape Tape again and just kind of carve this area out on the inner corner. And then I just take this tiny Real Technique sponge too and pounce this out so it kind of blends out a little bit more. It's not as crazy. There we go, that's better. And okay, going back in with, where did that brush go? There it is. I'm just gonna finish kind of deepening out this side. I'm gonna take a darker color next to get in here, but I just wanna make sure it's all looking good. Now I'm gonna go in with, what is this? Risky? Just as like a fade out color into that concealer. So now that that's done, I'm going to take this darker shade, Brave. It's like a deeper brown purpley color right here. I'm gonna take it on the same R39 brush and mostly keep this on the outer corner, outer V, because I just want to deepen up this outside area. I like that, I like it a lot. I'm just going to finish up deepening this outer corner area, and then I'm gonna go off camera and do a wing. Hello, winged liner is done. So now I'm gonna move on to my complexion, foundation, stuff like that. So I'm trying out a couple new things, like I'm gonna be priming my skin with the LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I don't know if I've used this in a video yet, but we're gonna see how it works. Foundation today, I'm going to be using SPF 18, that's such a random number. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Dewy Smooth Foundation in the shade 220, Natural Beige. Does that look like it fits my skin tone? It, so far, is pretty full coverage. I'm liking it. It smells nice. I just want it to cover up all this redness. I'm gonna bring it on my neck a little bit too. It's very dewy. Okay, now I'm going to take this Physicians Formula, what are these? Powder Palette Mineral Glow Pearls. I think At first, when I used this, in what video was it? I think it was in Festival Look. I thought it was a highlighter. It's actually a powder. So I'm just gonna take some of this and see if I can set some of these areas, and it'll still like kind of leave it glowy. I don't want to do it in certain areas because I still need to highlight my face. So that's what we're gonna do now. Conceal, highlight. I never know what to call it. I'm gonna take my Shape Tape. Beautiful. Okay. So now that that is done, I'm gonna bronze my face. Or actually, I'm gonna finish setting parts of my face. Like under here, where I have on the sides of my nose. I'll get a different powder to set under my eye. I'll probably just use my NYX palette that I always use. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Japonesque brush that I've been using to do my bronzer with and take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This stuff is amazing. And this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. That's it, that's the name. I'm going to bronze my face. Then with that bronzer, I am going to carve out my nose. I've been contouring my nose a lot lately. I take these two brushes here from Morphe. Don't know what they're called. I'll certainly try to find them. But I take the less fluffy one, the shorter, fat one here. Use it to go down the sides of my nose and kind of buff it out at the same time. Then I'll take the fluffier one and use that to blend it out on the sides of my nose. For some reason, my nose just always looks red. It's never just not gonna not be red, I guess. I'll also use it to deepen up my Cupid's bow as well. Okay, now I'm going to finish up underneath my eye. I'm going to take Brave, that darker color, and using this Morphe R41, I'm just gonna start going backwards with those colors. So I'll take Chestnut and go over that. Mostly the darker colors on my under eye, and then I'll take my B38 and probably blend it out with Orb. All of it can tie together. So that's that. Now, let me see. I guess I'll do highlight. I'm going to spray my face first with Fix Plus. I found a little bit left. I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Thought it had another word after that. And I'm going to take this Real Techniques setting brush and pop this right here. Put it up here, and here. The upper lip highlight. Give myself a golden mustache. My chin area. And then I'll take a different brush, this little detail brush from Morphe. It's my favorite one to do my nose highlight. Down the middle here. Or use my finger. And right on the tip of my nose. So now that that's done, I'm going to finish on my eyes. I'm going to do mascara, and I'm going to apply the Ardell Faux Mink 817 lashes here. Just pretty basic strip lashes. And then I haven't decided what I want to do on my lips yet, but I'll come back on and let you guys know what I do pick. I will be right back for the end. Oh, and I'm going to do my brows. That was the biggest thing. Alright, so this completes this look. I did pop on my lashes, did my brows. I decided to use the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Driver. It's this lovely nude shade right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go eat some pizza now with my roommate, because if I don't hurry up and finish, she's probably gonna come in here and kill me. So if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Right? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!